You gotta make it deeper.
Yes, I do.
Devin, that's good.
Look, me should be like, oh, I'm floating. But still freaking. I think she was still freaking.
Just like this.
Seriously, Nino, you just threw sand on me. Oh, knucklehead.
I had a dream just like this. He said, he would say, oh, she's floating, and I was digging a moat for a sandcastle just like this.
Of course you did, Nino.
I did.
Why is your belly so red?
I don't know.
Because it's life vest? Come on, Devin. He's trying to master it.
Trying to, but not in.
There you go. See?
Good job, Devin.
Look at Devin, Nino. Devin's got it.
Yeah, you can.
Turn it back around. There you go. Push that way. He needs to pull with the other one now. See? He needs... No. He needs to turn his scoops around. There he is. Now he turned them around. Alright, signing off. No, well, maybe not. That was doing pretty good.